Hello and welcome people, back at the scrapyard from a Sunday load. This is what we've got on. Got a few alley ladders, a load of mixed shearing and some decent non-ferrous back here. Some golf clubs, irony alley, some more irony alley parts. Anyway, let me get this unstrapped and get it tipped off. Alright guys, so in non-ferrous we've got old roll alley there, 3 ladders, some aerials, walking stick and a few other bits. Then we've got irony alley here, lawnmower, wheel, push chairs, strimmer and some golf clubs. We've got a brass here, 2 brass taps, pipes, and then we've got a copper there as well. We've got electric motors here. We've got a household wire there. We've got 1 battery and we've got disc brakes. Let me go and weigh this in. Irony aluminium, weighing in at 46 kilograms. Clean household wire, weighing in at 5.5 in the tub. 98 pure copper, weighing in at 3. Electric motors, weighing in at 35 in the tub. Old roll alley, weighing in at 29. Brass, 2 brass taps, weighing in at 2 kilogram, 1 battery, weighing in at 20, 6 disc brakes, weighing in at 27. Alright, I'll bring you back once I've got the ticket, show you what I got. So guys, I went in with 1080 kilograms. That is my mixed steel plus the non-ferrous that's showing you on the van. And the total pay of all that was 256. So all good. Did about 7 hours. Catch you on the next one.